this is product D3444 and this is the Croft 1754 SQ oval doorknob on a square rose. This shade is in the polished nickel. It is available in many different finishes on our website, so please go and check them out. All the screws will match the chosen finish of your choice. So again, this is in the polished nickel, so it perfectly blends in with the product. The length of this is 57 millimeters, and that is including the rose. The protrusion is 70 millimeters. There's a PDF technical sheet on our website in the technical information for more detailed measurements. The spindle can also be cut down to size depending on the size of the door. These are all individually handmade by the Croft foundry. As you can see, it is a traditional design, yet it'll still fit in with modern homes.